All right, everyone. So today we're going deep on OConnect, that video conferencing platform everyone's talking about.
Yeah.
We've got a ton of info on it, and we want to see if it lives up to the hype, if it's really going to change the game for global teams.
Exactly. And from what I've seen so far, it's not just your typical video chat. It's really built with the global collaboration in mind.
Yeah, for sure. And the thing that jumps out at me right away is the emphasis on high-quality audio and video. I mean, how many times have you been in a meeting
Oh my God.
where the connection is terrible?
All the
You're
time.
trying to focus on what's being said, but all you can hear is static, or the video keeps freezing.
Yeah, it's like the technology is getting in the way of the actual communication.
Exactly, and it sounds like OConnect is tackling that head on. They're talking HD quality audio and video, which should make a huge difference.
Yeah, it seems like they admit it. The foundation of any good virtual meeting is clear and reliable communication.
Totally.
Yeah.
And then on top of that, they've got some seriously impressive security features. End-to-end encryption, user authentication. I mean, they're not resting around.
Not at all. Security is so crucial these days, especially with all the sensitive information that gets shared in business meetings. It seems like they've found a good balance between keeping things secure, but also making it user-friendly, not making it a hassle to actually use the platform.
Yeah, that's a good point. You don't want security to be so tight that it becomes a barrier to actually getting work done.
Exactly.
But then, okay, here's what I'm really excited about, real-time translation.
Oh, yeah.
This is the kind of feature that could be a total game changer.
Mhm.
Imagine being able to have a seamless conversation with someone who speaks a completely different language.
I know, right?
It's like something out of Star Trek.
It's amazing what technology can do these days, and from what I've read, OConnect uses AI-powered translation for both voice and text, and it supports multiple languages.
So it's not just like a clunky text-based translation.
No, it's designed to be as natural and fluid as possible. Of course, no translation is going to be perfect, but the goal is to facilitate real conversation and understanding.
Yeah, to break down that language barrier so people can actually connect and collaborate.
Right, because think about it. If you can communicate effectively with anyone in the world, regardless of language, the possibilities are endless.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And it's not just about expanding your business reach. It's also about fostering a more inclusive and diverse work environment.
Totally.
And speaking of making things easier, OConnect also integrates with other business tools like project management and scheduling software.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one. No more switching between different apps and platforms. Everything's streamlined and connected.
Exactly. And that kind of integration is key for boosting productivity.
Yeah.
You're not wasting time trying to find information or juggle different tools.
It's all about creating a seamless workflow.
Right. And it looks like OConnect is available on both desktop and mobile devices.
Yes. Which means you can join meetings from anywhere. Whether you're at your desk on the go, at a coffee shop, you're always connected.
That's so important these days, with so many people working remotely or in hybrid setups.
Definitely flexibility and accessibility are key.
Okay, so now let's talk about this dashboard that OConnect has for tracking user activity. This seems like a really useful feature for managers or team leaders.
Yeah, the dashboard is super helpful. It lets you monitor meeting history, see who's participating, how engaged they are, and even track individual performance.
Oh, wow. So you can actually get some data on how effective your meetings are.
Exactly, and that data can then be used to improve future meetings,
Into it.
make them more focused, more engaging, more productive.
That's really cool.
Yeah, it's all about using data to drive better collaboration.
And then another feature that I'm personally really excited about is the speech-to-text functionality. I mean, this is like a dream come true for anyone who hates taking notes.
I know I'm terrible at taking notes during meetings, so this is a game changer for me.
So basically, it uses AI to convert everything that's said in the meeting into written text.
Exactly, and then you can easily access and share those transcripts later on.
So helpful for, making sure everyone's on the same page or following up on action items.
Absolutely.
So it seems like OConnect is really trying to address all the pain points of traditional video conferencing.
Yeah, they're going beyond just the basic features and really thinking about how to make virtual collaboration truly effective.
Right. And from everything we've seen so far, it sounds like they're doing a pretty good job.
I think so too.
They're focused on high-quality audio and video, robust security, seamless real-time translation integration with other tools, accessibility on multiple devices, and powerful data analytics.
And let's not forget that speech-to-text feature.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
All of this comes together to make OConnect a really compelling option for businesses of all sizes.
Yeah, and I think that's an important point. It's not just for big corporations. Any business that wants to improve its global communication and collaboration can benefit from OConnect.
Exactly. It's about leveling the playing field and giving everyone access to the tools they need to succeed in today's globalized world.
So here's a question for everyone listening. How could real-time translation and video conferencing change the way you work and interact with colleagues or clients around the world? It's definitely something to think about. And until next time, keep diving deep.
See you then.